Welcome back, Vikings. This is a short tutorial on what we do on Wednesdays, Sharing Wednesdays. The class schedule looks like this. You're going to start your first 15 minutes with an intro discussion prompt. Let's check out what that looks like. You go to our Schoology course, you go to week 2, or whatever week you happen to be on. As you scroll down, you're going to see that there's a folder that has the day of the week, Wednesday. We're going to go to that folder, and in there you're going to see intro discussion. It'll be a different topic for each intro discussion, but you're basically going to click on that in the first 15 minutes of class. You're going to see that there's 3 questions. Maybe there's just 1 question, but you're going to answer this with at least 3 complete sentences. That means that you use proper punctualization, capitalization, and spelling. And you want to make sure that you answer all of the questions from the prompt. To answer the question, you simply scroll down here, go to where it says write a comment, and your little icon will be next to it. Click on that, and then write your sentences that are answering this question. 1. How am I feeling today? I am feeling relieved today. Number 2. What was my favorite memory from this past weekend? My favorite memory from this past weekend was laughing, singing, and dancing with my daughter. Number 3. What type of computer am I completing my schoolwork on? I am completing this work on a homemade PC running Windows 10. Alright, Windows should be capitalized. There we go. And I'm going to press post. There we go. You can read through other people's posts and see how they're feeling or what their responses to these questions are, and you can like them or you can reply to them. Make sure you do this within the first 15 minutes of class so that way you get counted as here. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to post our project. So let's go check out our project. If we go back to our Wednesday course or our Wednesday folder, you'll see that we have a group activity, Project Showcase. We're going to click on that group activity. And we can see that we're going to post a copy of last week's project that we created. If it's text-based, then we just make sure all the text is included in the post. Alright, I made a project last week on my Google Drive. I'm going to go to it now. I'm going to go to my All About Me project that I created on Google Drive. Then I'm going to click in here and press Control A to select all of the text. You can also go to Edit, Select All. After you do that, you can go to Edit and Copy or press Control C. Then I'm going to go into my group activity area here, and I'm going to post that project by pressing Control V to paste it in there, or right-clicking and going to Paste, and then pressing post. Looks like I didn't select all of it and copy it, so let me go ahead and do that. If you need to change your post, you can edit it or delete it. I'm going to go to Edit. Go in here and take this stuff out. And go back to my other project. Control A, Control C. Go to my group activity. Control V. There we go. Alright, so this is a text-based project, kind of explaining a little bit about myself. The next thing that you want to do is you want to post a reply to somebody else's project with praise and positive ideas about what their project made you think about. Be sure to use at least 3 complete sentences when you reply to somebody's post using proper punctuation, capitalization, and spelling. So let's say I read through this and I wanted to comment on it. You shouldn't comment on your own post. You should comment on somebody else's post. For example, I can come down here and say, oh, I also like the movie Ghostbusters or the TV show Invader Zim. I'm going to write about that. So I'm going to scroll down here, click on reply. I might even click on like. I'm not going to like my own post, I'm just kidding. I'm going to click on reply, and then I'm going to write 3 sentences. I see you have a very symbolic and interesting picture. I wonder who the guy in front of the tanks is. I also like Invader Zim. I like the episode Gurr Goes Crazy. No, I like the one where Gurr makes waffles, actually. There we go, and then you would post the reply. There we go. Now let's say you have not a text-based assignment, but you have a visual project or you have a computer program. Well, if you have a visual project, you can do the following. I'm going to delete this. Delete the post. And I'll also delete the reply here. If I wanted to post a file, like a visual project, I can click down here where it says write a comment, and then I can click right here where it says file. And now I can pick a project that I want to put down. Let's say I had a logo that I created. Then I could do that. Okay. I'm going to upload this logo. Press post. Now if you have a 3D model or something like that, you want to post at least 3 screenshots of your project from multiple angles. So you want to go and when you have your model, you're going to take 3 different pictures of it from different angles. For example, I have this 3D model here that I've been working on a little bit. I'm going to take that 3D model as seen here, and I'm going to take a picture of it. So I can take a screenshot of it with this angle. A good way to do that is to use your snapshot shortcut Control plus the square with the 2 vertical lines next to it, or if you're on a Windows machine, you can press Windows and print screen, and your screen should flash. Or you could press Windows Shift S, and you can snip a specific picture of the thing that you want, like you see there. Then I would change the view of my model. Maybe I'll get a picture of the back or something like that, and then I would do the same thing. Windows print screen. Maybe I want to zoom in on some detail or something like that, so I can come over here and take a picture of that. There we go. So once again, Windows and print screen, or Control and the square with 2 lines next to it. After I do that, I can go into my assignment, and I can go back to the file menu here. I can find that file. If you take a snapshot of it with your PC, you'd go to pictures and then screenshots like that, and you can find it. So I could just attach these files. There we go. As you can see, just that easy. All right. So that's how we do Wednesdays. Make sure you post something positive. Make sure you post something that makes people want to continue working. And if you're going to be critical, make sure that it's constructive criticism, that people would like to hear what you put. Perhaps they'd listen to you if you package it in a way that is positive. So you want to praise each other's work here in this class. If you don't like something, just don't comment on it. Find something else. Go to the exit ticket, which is available in the last 15 minutes of class. The exit ticket on Wednesdays can be completed pretty much any time on Wednesday. So let's go to where that is. Here we are again. You're going to see right here there's an exit ticket, so you can click on that and just complete the questions that it asks you to the best of your ability. They'll usually have to do with what you learned previously in the classes. And that's it. That's everything that we're doing for Wednesdays. I hope everybody has a great day. Last thing you want to do is you want to send me any questions that you have about the course or anything that you're working on in Schoology. So let's see, how do you do that? Oh, how do you do that? You go here to the top right. You can click on this envelope, and then you can click on New Message. And then you can ask me a question by, in the to field, you can type in my last name. I'll say McDowell, and there I pop up. Click on that. Michael McDowell is my name. Subject, need help. Oh, make sure you put your period. So period 3, need Schoology help. And then I'll say in my message, hi McDowell, how do I send a message in Schoology? There we go. And then I'll press send. And then, oh, I got a message. I can see I got a message, so I'll see a little bubble here. Click on that. Oh, I see that somebody messaged me. You can do this on Wednesday. I'll be online, so I'll answer any questions that I have here during the class period. How do I send a message in Schoology? Oh, never mind. Looks like you figured it out. Okay. Oh, I'm usually pretty polite here. Hi, Michael. There we go. So there we go. We can see how this goes. Oh, it looks like I can't send it to myself. I wonder why. Interesting. All right. So that's all we got to do. That's how this course will work. On Wednesdays, this is what we're doing. If you have any questions, just send them to me in Schoology. But make sure that you post your project and you reply to somebody else's project. That's how you can get the group participation points. All right, everybody, have a great day. And until I talk to you again, I hope your life is going great. Farewell.